Welcome to this video on developing an agile mindset. After watching this video, you will be able to identify the 5 key elements of the agile mindset, describe the role of the product owner in promoting the agile mindset. Agile is a flexible and iterative approach to software development that breaks projects down into several phases, known as sprints. It focuses on collaboration among cross-functional teams, continuous feedback, and the ability to adapt to changing requirements throughout the project lifecycle. The Agile Manifesto defines the core values and principles of the Agile approach. It was created by a group of software developers in 2001 and consists of 4 key values: individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a plan. Organizations today seek greater flexibility to respond to market changes and customer feedback quickly. The Agile mindset is a way of thinking that embodies all the core values of the Agile approach, allowing individuals and organizations to embrace change rather than resist it. Let us now explore the 5 key elements of an Agile mindset. These are adaptability, teamwork, focus, flexibility, and trust. The first key element is adaptability. It is the ability to easily recognize and assess changing circumstances, adapting quickly. This involves updating plans, requirements, goals, and strategies as the situation demands. The next is teamwork. It is the ability to bring together individuals with diverse roles, skills, and backgrounds and transform them into a high-performing team through effective communication and collaboration. Focus is working in a disciplined manner based on best practices and resilience, as well as a shared vision, goals, and objectives. Flexibility is the ability to identify and apply the right tools and tactics for any situation based on the team's diverse skills, knowledge, and expertise. The last key element is trust. It involves developing mutual belief and respect, a common understanding of each member's role and purpose within the team, and accepting and maintaining a common set of values. Next, let's learn about the 7 key principles that define how the product owner supports the Agile mindset. They are prioritization, communication, change management, promotion of value-driven approach, driving clear vision and goals, nurturing morale, and encouraging feedback. The product owner ensures the team delivers maximum value by prioritizing tasks effectively. They capture and organize requirements into themes, epics, and user stories based on input from the Scrum team, stakeholders, end users, and customers. The product owner uses Agile ceremonies, such as the kickoff, sprint planning, daily Scrum, reviews, retrospectives, and backlog refinement to maintain and adjust the product backlog. This iterative prioritization aligns the team's focus with customer needs and reinforces the Agile principle of delivering continuous value. Effective communication is at the heart of the product owner's responsibilities. They create a collaborative environment by facilitating open and transparent discussions during Agile ceremonies and fostering spontaneous interactions when necessary. This improves trust and teamwork, essential elements of an Agile mindset. Change is inevitable in Agile projects, and adaptability is key. The product owner continually updates the product backlog to reflect new requirements or shifts in priorities. They manage these changes collaboratively, encouraging the team to view them as opportunities for improvement rather than obstacles. By promoting this perspective, they help the team embrace change as a positive and necessary part of the process. Delivering value is the cornerstone of the product owner's role. They ensure the team understands and aligns with stakeholders' goals from the initial kickoff to the final retrospective. By prioritizing backlog items for each sprint, the product owner enables the team to focus on delivering value incrementally, reinforcing the Agile mindset of continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. The product owner introduces the team to the project's vision and objectives at the kickoff and ensures these are maintained throughout the project. During daily stand-ups, sprint planning, and backlog refinement, They use every opportunity to clarify goals, remove roadblocks, and adjust priorities as needed. This constant alignment ensures the team remains focused and purposeful, fostering a shared sense of direction. By involving team members in decision-making processes, the product owner empowers them to take ownership of their work. They provide autonomy by encouraging the team to decide how best to achieve sprint goals. This empowerment builds trust and boosts morale, creating an environment where team members feel motivated and valued. Lastly, feedback is central to continuous improvement and a core of the Agile Manifesto. The product owner creates a safe space where team members feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and ideas. By encouraging open, iterative feedback, they help the team refine processes and deliverables, enhancing overall effectiveness. In this video, you learned that the Agile mindset emphasizes adaptability, teamwork, focus, flexibility, and trust to embrace change effectively. The Agile Manifesto outlines 4 core values and principles, focusing on collaboration, functional solutions, and responsiveness to change. The product owner plays a vital role in promoting the Agile mindset by prioritizing tasks to deliver maximum value, facilitating communication for collaboration and trust, managing change to adapt to evolving requirements, promoting a value-driven approach for continuous improvement, driving clarity in vision and goals to keep the team aligned, nurturing morale through empowerment and autonomy, and encouraging feedback to foster a culture of continuous learning and growth.